Hey everyone, how's it going? Somebody was asking me, how many monitors do you need to trade? To be honest with you, you need probably one monitor. You can do fine with one monitor, but it does get confusing. It's hard to day trade with one monitor. I'm going to show you what my setup looks like. I used to trade on this Apple MacBook a long time ago when I first started. So you definitely can trade on one screen. That's what I started with right there, okay? That was the computer that I actually started trading on probably 10 years ago. I used to trade just on that MacBook. Now, slowly I got more and more monitors, and I'll show you exactly why and how I trade like this. So I use this monitor for my chat room and my share size calculator. Then I use this one for my order entries for my broker. So what I like to do, let's see if I can change this a little later. I like to keep each one of these. Alright, each one of these are a different order entry. So for every chart that I'm watching right up here on this monitor, on this main monitor, I've got 8 charts right here. I like to keep one of these order entries for every one of those charts.